Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Welcome, traders. This episode, we're continuing the mission of Tradin. Real traders, real edge, and real decision in the markets to the spotlight. And in today's episode 4 part, we're joined by 3 extraordinary traders whose stories show exactly what it means on how to adapt and how to rise through the ranks. The first trader is Heramani, a former merchant navy officer who left his career to pursue full-time trading. He has 6 years of experience. He's the co-founder of the Trade House community, and he serves as a trading psychology coach. He has earned over 30,000 in FundingPips from his master accounts, and now he continues to scale his personal account while mentoring others as well. The second trader is Arnas. He's our brand FundingPips. He earned more than 125,000 in rewards, and he has 8 years of experience. He's the founder of the largest trading community in Lithuania, and in his words, it's 8 years of mistakes, hard work, lessons, ups and continuing without hesitation. And finally, he is a proof that transformation is real. At 21, he was nearly in $20,000 in debt from trading losses. At 22, he ranked #1 trader in FundingPips trading competition. He had earned $1,500 through and 100K challenge account. 3, he's already made over 10,000 in that account, completely changed his life around. So this is not just another Tradin TV. We give the stage to FundingPips traders to showcase to you the real mindset and the decision-making process that goes behind trader screens. So watch it, learn, and be part of the movement. I hope you enjoy it. And traders, it's amazing to have you all here. Enjoy it. The floor is yours.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much for it.
Over to you guys.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hey, what's going on, boys?
all good, bro. How are you? How about you?
All good. I think it's time to take a look at some charts, right?
Okay,
bro.
you can start from you.
Yeah, sure. Why not? What I'm looking today is mainly pound.
Is there any news? Is there any news?
No, nothing. It's
No
3:30. Like nothing on.
Yeah, nothing is today. No news.
Yeah,
Let's go,
nothing
boys.
on red.
Yeah, just
It's
that.
yeah,
No
yellows
red
and oranges. Yeah, I'm just looking at the pound pretty much. It's Friday. I tend to be less aggressive on Fridays. Did you guys see the
Mm-hmm.
new dashboard from FundingPips has made the new one?
Yeah, I see.
Not yet for me.
You're talking about the meta, right?
Yeah, the better one, the better
Yeah,
version.
I
Yeah,
checked.
uh,
This was
Uh-huh.
insane. I never seen
yeah.
any prop from to dashboard like this. There's something
Yeah,
crazy.
Heramani, take a look when you have some time. What I did is
Yeah.
like it shows, so it takes all of your data from Funding Pips, all of it. I mean, since the very start, since the first trade you took,
Mm-hmm.
and it shows, for example, how much overall you made on Monday, for example, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, etc., like overall, throughout the
Uh-huh.
whole time period.
That's good.
So yeah, it's amazing.
Arnas, I would like to share funding to the dashboard after the analysis. I would like to show you.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you would
I'll
like to show
show
me.
later. I would like to show मतलब to the audience who had not seen it.
Okay, yeah, you can show. I'll we can share among each other. That's a lot of a lot of info there. But yeah, you can show the audience on how it looks. And pretty much what I saw is like for me, Friday is like hella unprofitable because I'm
Mm-hmm.
probably like mentally probably like tired, from the whole week of emotional roller
Uh-huh.
coasters.
Uh-huh.
So yeah. So my plan for today is just kind of relax and chat with you guys. Take a look at the pound. I'm looking at the 4 hours now. Um, we're reacting
Mm-hmm.
from strong levels here. We did not close below this level here, so potentially we might continue our run up. But then we have this news candle here. I think it was Wednesday. I think it's CPI candle here.
Yeah.
So I'm just looking to see whether we can perhaps sweep and like or tap into the 4 hour area here and then maybe sell from there. Right now we're pushing bullish. Um, Daily
Mm-hmm.
candle is also expanding into a upper wick.
Downwards.
um yeah, so for me, I mean, I'm just like I'm not gonna do anything until price reaches at least this area here, or starts to break down and show some trend changes within this internal structure. So I can see some liquidity here. I can see a wick. How is my chart? Oh, okay, it's fine, I can see it. And then we
That's
can
fine.
see
That's
like
fine.
yeah, I can see that the sellers, like they try to sell, like it creates long wicks, but then the candle closures are all bullish, so it's all early sellers.
Mm-hmm.
um so yeah, I'm just waiting for the price to start breaking this low, which would be my 15-minute change of character levels, then this liquidity here, and then of course we have from structural level, I'd say something like this. I mean, that's the range I would be looking at. I mean, for now. So for now, I mean, I'm just relaxing pretty much. What about you guys?
Yeah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
looking at gold. Usually, I trade on the
Same
gold.
here as well.
Okay. Do you guys
I
want to
know
switch the chart?
Heramani. Yeah. So I would like to
I'll
share my screen. Can you
okay, cool.
stop, Arnas? Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
go ahead.
Can I share my screen? Okay.
Yes, you can. So everyone on the chat, guys, please drop 7 on the chat. If you enjoy this stream, please drop 7 on the chat. Come on.
The audience is very engaging today. I'm seeing a lot of comments out there from Hiramani side, from Arnas followers, even my followers are completely engaging with all.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to share my.
Chat is
Can you see my screen, bro? Can you see my bro?
Yes, we
yeah,
can. We can.
yeah.
Uh, yeah, what I'm seeing on gold right now, and according to this, if I see. I will show you before 4H. As of now, in today's session, my bias is bullish on gold, and not that much big.
Mm-hmm.
I will target if I'm trading today. I will target 33.65, my first level. Cause the reason behind this, cause we are in a downtrend. Like we go a higher low, then lower high, then lower low again. Again we made a lower high, and we make a lower low here, right? And when these candles comes and we see this has not closed below this. According to the previous leg, this should make lower low, right? But that one candle for which looking like bullishness, that's showing the power of the buyers. And if I see the current 4-hour candle, that's looking pretty good for the buyers. And if I see 1 S time frame, and the candle, the explosive candle is giving that. This is bullish. And if you see the liquidity zones, and we already tapped the previous lows here, जहाँ से we see the buying, right? This was the previous liquidity zone which swept yesterday, and today the another liquidity zone what I'm seeing is 33.65 and the last 33.75. And before that, I would like to tell few things about what I'm observing from last couple of days, couple of weeks. That it is in consolidation. If someone is saying that this is bullish candle, this is bullish candle, we are going to this and this. According to me, that's what my perspective is. We are not going to bullish on this level, at least if we see the monthly time frame. If I show
Mm-hmm.
you monthly time frame, we are going continuously like 90-degree angle. If you can see this, and any asset, any pair require at least a small pullback of 28% or 30% in order to give a solid pullback upside. So that's what I'm seeing. If you see the monthly candle of previous month, which is looking like bearish candle, but this candle is not closed yet, so we cannot say we are going up again and again. And same thing on the weekly time frame. We are in a consolidation. We are in a box, right? Where we are just consolidating on these levels. So if you see the market, if I remove all the things on my charts, what I am seeing, we are again standing on the weekly highs, previous weekly highs. And this is just I'm saying. And if I plan trade today, what I'm doing, I will take you on a 5-minute time frame, as I trade a smaller time frame. So this is a good setup to buy, and I can place my bias here and the stop loss here to take profit this level 33.65. That's my view. And current right now, I'm taking this, watching this from the London session. And now it's time to execute. I'll buy this trade. Current, this is a stop loss and this will be a TP. That's what I'm saying here. I would like to over to
All
you,
right, all right.
uh,
Do you like
Arslan.
do you use any confluences with like risk on, risk off, like looking at S&P 500 stocks, etc.?
No, no, I don't look all this. I just see price action
Hmm.
and the liquidity zones. I mark two levels on the upside and the downside, a premium zone or a discounted
Yeah, yeah.
zone, right? And if I see entry on these zones on a smaller time frame, I take entries and put my stop loss on the right with the right risk reward with the positive 1:3 at least, and above then. And I usually trade high risk
Hmm.
reward ratio. But on the live stream, if I talk about, we already expand a lot, and I was watching literally after London session. I was thinking
Okay, okay.
this move come up almost is 40, 30, 40 pips move. This already has been done. Even if it start early, I will buy on this level on 1 minute time frame. I usually, what I do when I have to enter in any trade, I look candle like this, a pin bar which has a smaller body and a long wick. If I'm buying, if I'm going to buy, if I plan to buy, like what I see, the body should be small and the wick should be long, and next followed by candle should break the previous highs of the candle, and vice versa for the sell. So currently this is also already looking a little bit like premium, but we can buy still from this level. That's what I'm seeing. That's my perspective, not a financial
Mm-hmm.
advice to anyone.
Okay, okay.
That's good.
I
That's
don't
good.
want you people comment to me that Ki, I got to stop out from you. I just share my screen, just my view, and we have Hiramani and Arnas. They are so much experience. I'm glad to sit all. I'm glad to sit with you all.
Yeah, I'll take a
Thank
look at
you.
the gold
Thank
as
you.
That's
well.
over to you
Let's see
boys.
Heramani's chart.
Okay, sure.
Let me stop.
Guys, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, bro, we can see your screen.
Yeah, okay. So today on London session, I took a trade. So I'll share my looks on this chart on gold. So first of all, it's same with Taufiq Bhai says like it's like of a consolidation in higher time frame. So I don't like to hold much for now. So in today's London session, I took a buy on gold.
You already you had a trade on gold during London.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
during London
that was a good one
today.
then.
Hmm. So this is the Asian session for today. So after that, after sweeping this Asian session low, I wait for this candle, and my entry is somewhere, yeah, somewhere around here, and my stop is somewhere around here, and I just took 1:2 is my risk to reward. That's my fixed risk to reward. So I just finish over here. Otherwise, I don't took really. I do scalping sometimes only. So for now, I'm just focusing on lower time frame, like 15 to 30 minutes. Otherwise, I trade in 2 hour, 4 hour actually. 90% of my trade I trade in higher time frame. So it's in consolidation. That's why I just focus on 15 to 30-minute time frame. So I just take my TP over
Okay,
here
nice
and
trade, mate. Like zero drawdown, pretty much. No drawdown.
uh,
Like
uh-huh.
just
So
triggered and
uh-huh. And again, I see today gap up on Onda. This in Onda data. So I see a gap up today on gold. So you can see over here, it's a very small gap up. So again, in futures, I'll just share you. In future as well, I see my confirmation on daily time frame. I see a gap up on gold as well. So I can see a gap over here also. So till now I'm bullish, but I want to see this high to be taken out in coming weeks. In 4 hour, you can see a
Yeah,
very good liquidity in this level. So if this goes up and it break through this level, this gap, so I will be bullish in next week also. So let's see for that. And
okay.
in I'll show
Arnas,
you one
bro,
more
which
here.
time frame do you use? Arnas, do
Yeah.
you trade on smaller time frame?
No, I mean, I like, yeah, Heramani is like, I think from all three of us, he's using the biggest time frames to trade. I do 15 to 5 minutes for my entries,
Uh-huh.
but
Okay.
like yeah, with gold, like with gold, like what I do with gold is like usually like $3 to $5 stop losses, something like that. So like
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah,
just want to be in and out. I try to spend as little possible, as little time in the market as possible, like literally.
Mm-hmm.
um
Okay.
but it seems like you were bullish as well, Tawfiq, right, on gold? Yeah,
yeah,
I'm the only
And
one who's bearish on
I
gold
was
then.
bullish.
I can,
I'm bearish.
that's
No, no,
fine.
see, I'll
I
tell you,
can,
I'll tell you why I'm bullish. I am bullish on like a smaller time frame. If I'm doing day trading on the higher time frame, I'm completely bearish. Even I sell too many times that it has to like correct a little bit from the top to bottom. It's give
mm-hmm.
already a lot of momentum outside.
Yeah,
And
same with
Hiramani,
me,
I
bro. Same
hear
with
that you told Hiramani, you told that you trade smaller time frame, like 1 minute or 3 minutes. Is that correct? I hear.
No, 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 no. Before 2, 3 years back, I trade just 1 minute, 5 minutes. But for now,
Yeah,
90% of my trade are in 1 hour to 4 hour time frame. But for now, in gold,
like
I can see some consolidation in higher time frame. That's why I focus on 15 to 30 minutes for now. So I
yeah,
can
I
see on
observe one
silver
thing.
as well. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see on
exactly.
silver as well. Silver is very, very bullish right now. So that's why I'm bullish again in gold as well. And you can see the DXY. So DXY is in a very key level right now. So in higher time frame, you can see it goes for retracement, and I can see the fair value gap and order block over here. And today DXY is starting in a gap down today also. So I just want to see some downwards for DXY up to this level, and if from this level it can respect and goes up again, I don't know, or it can be breakdown. So I'm expecting at least this level it will come. Like for this candle, this daily time frame, this candle, this 50% of this week, I'm expecting for DXY to come down. So that's my plan for now. So I'll see in next week as well for my upcoming setup. And I tried to enter one small scalping type in Euro USD today on London, but I don't get my entry. So I'm waiting over here to price to come down, but it doesn't get into my entry. So that's it for today. And I'm still waiting for my setup. Yes.
Yeah. I'm looking at
Yeah,
the
one.
pound now. It's getting closer to my POI.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you. Did I share the screen? No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it's now approaching, and I'm looking at euro as well for some confluences. It's kind of looking kind of the same as pound as well. It's the CPI range pretty much. So when we talked about all the assets being bullish, I guess we could rephrase it to simply dollar being bearish and then everything being repriced against the dollar, I
Mm-hmm.
guess. And yeah, so now like looking at the dollar index, my main concern is pretty much this huge wick.
Mm-hmm.
And where, for example, where does the market step in if we are to, because from this price here, for example, we did have a new high, right? It did not
Mm-hmm.
close, but we did have a new high. So in theory, we are bullish within this range, simply because we
Mm-hmm.
swept this high. So it could be either a liquidity, like it either took the liquidity, or I mean it's a higher high.
Mm-hmm.
So higher high, lower high, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So now my concern is where within this wick do the buyers step in, and then I take a look at my premium and discount pricing, and I see this gap here. So looking at the pound doesn't make sense because it's like it still has a lot to go, and it might not even come to these levels today. It could continue moving in smaller volume down, I guess. Because
Mm-hmm.
it already moved like by percentage terms like 0.42%. Like for the dollar, it's an okay size move for a day. Am I right or am I wrong? What do you guys think? Like, I mean, percentage wise, like it's usually like if we talk about let's see chat if they agree. Like chat, do you think 0.42% is a in terms of average true range, it doesn't make sense, that it's like an okay candle already, or do you think there's a lot more in terms of average that we could push? Okay, let's see what they're
Yeah,
asking us
indeed,
to show.
people are saying they are agree. That makes
Yeah,
sense, bro.
top down
Arnas.
analysis.
Mm-hmm.
Um, okay, we have two
They are
Yeah,
they are
chats.
asking for top down.
Huh?
Chat want to analyze the top down analysis.
Okay, top down. Okay, I saw somebody Euro USD. Should we do Euro USD top down then? I mean,
Okay,
we all
sure.
gonna do it differently, right?
Yeah, yeah.
No, no,
So,
I am literally
well,
hearing Arnas very carefully. Arnas and Heramani, I'm literally listening you very carefully. And I'm observing you.
okay.
Although if I have to say something, I will tell you. I can do an answer. We are just hearing
um,
your perspective, not like
Yo, should we just do the dollar and then, like, I mean, you can base all of the
Yeah,
assets.
yeah, yeah.
I mean,
That
I
that will
think
be
it's the
fine.
best, right?
Yeah, yeah. We can correlate euro and then pound as well from DXY.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so just looking at the daily, for example, for me, right? I've done this, I
Mm-hmm,
think, like few days back or something. I was trading. I think it was like at the start of the week. Simply, we did have a new lower low, a new yearly low as well, and we did that, if you can see, on 1st of July. So meaning at the end of at the second quarterly candle of, no, at the first, it's seventh a month of, yeah, seventh month. Wait, so it's the first monthly candle of the third quarter. So at the
mm-hmm,
July repricing rollover, pretty much.
mm-hmm,
So I think, because I also, when I look at the charts, I also think of the monetary policy. Like what's going on with the rates, with the inflation. Like
mm-hmm,
I do put a lot of my like I do use fundamental analysis as well. Like I do not predict tops and the bottoms, but like from the way I guess media and the central banks move, um, we are probably nearing um, the quantitative tightening period, and going into quantitative easing in US. So I think it has been already
mm-hmm,
priced in now, and I am actually starting to be a little bit more bullish on dollar than I was before. We had a new lower low on the daily chart. We had a new lower low on the 4-hour chart as well, and then we can see a little bit of corrective buying into CPI pretty much. And then we had a huge reaction off of CPI if we're looking at the daily chart completely. Um, However, we have a lot of imbalance here. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearish candles. So this is like complete. It's like one weekly, like 2 weekly candles pretty much, but 7 days of completely price moving down without any pullback. So what I've noticed from myself also is a lot of traders look at the, like, we do need to look at the left, obviously, because that's, we deal with the historical price action. But at these areas when the prices are so imbalanced, I tend to see that traders look too much at the historical data on the left, and
mm-hmm,
completely ignoring the current price action pretty much, and current order flow. So I am bullish on the dollar, hence me still maintaining my bearish bias, and price, as we can see, tapped into my area of interest and now showing some bearish signs. Well, the candle is not yet closed, but just wanted to take a look, since I saw the dollar daily candle creating a top wick, a
mm-hmm,
bottom wick, I'm sorry, and having some sort of a reaction just around like 2 minutes until like 3:30. It's when volume starts to kick in a little bit. All right. So on a daily chart, we are now in premium pricing on the smaller ranges, but we are still very, very deep down within the discounts on daily and weekly timeframes, as well as on monthlies. So price could give us an aggressive move up into better prices for a more impulsive, liquidity taking move towards these areas here that I have, which is around 100. So that would also be a psychological level that was broken, and now we are going to retest it, I think. That's what my analysis tell me. So looking at the daily chart, I am still bullish. I am looking at a lot of small, like small candles pretty much just until the CPI. And if I go to 4-hour charts, I'll just remove some of these drawings here. On the 4-hour chart, we are bearish in terms of swing levels, of course. Then we have some unmitigated reaction levels here, as well as weekly change of character level. So if we are to breach this area here, it means that we would have, as you can see, a little note here, we would have a weekly change of character, meaning that potentially a swing pullback might start. So I'll just remind you what the change of character is. So change of character is the most aggressive structure-based signal that you can get in the market. It's the first minor break of structure that you get. So in terms of weekly time frame, this is something that needs to happen for the dollar to confirm that potentially we have a pullback. Now, look, if we look at some zones, let me do this and clear the chart. What I like to do sometimes is just remove the old data if I haven't been looking at the charts, and just have a fresh view, and just take a look on how everything is. What I also do is I also remove my market structure notes here as well, and I can see that the swing on weekly is down. Weekly change of character is still down. Daily swing is down since we have a break of structure over here. Daily change of character, I have it as up as we had it here. So let's move to the daily chart for now and find a level that needs to be crossed if price would signal us a change of character from bullish to bearish. And that would be this price here. Since this is the last higher low that caused a new higher high in terms of this perspective, right? It created this level here. So until this level is if daily chart stays bullish within its character, price should not breach this level, meaning it can come all the way here, right? But it needs to respect it if the theory is valid. So the reason why I use these levels, for me, it's something that acts as a safeguard. So I don't wait for it to break. I wait. I expect it to be respected. It's like kind of a reversal type of mentality. Like you should expect strong levels to hold and not break. So that's my idea here on the daily chart, and it is also a big area of demand on a 4-hour chart. Now we are still in the discount on the daily chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are in premium, so we have a lot of liquidity here. But this could potentially happen next week after we take this high, if we do. Because if we take this high, we automatically have a 4-hour break of structure, and then swing levels that become strong are here. So price could completely retrace to this level and still maintain bullish until here, maintain bullish until here, and even wick this level, but close above and still be bullish from how I trade and how I see structure, right? So right now,
Arnas, what do you think? It is complete reversal. What do you think? It is complete reversal on DXY. I think it's a little bit
uh,
go up, then we'll follow the trend of bearishness.
yeah, I cannot say now because I mean it's we're not even bullish on 4-hour. It's only starting to show. Like once I get a wick above this high, then I could be a little bit more
Yeah,
bullish, like in terms of higher time frames. But as it looks for right now, and for this year, perhaps, just looking at where the Fed is, there's like Fed is close, like the group of central bankers that Jerome Powell is in charge of are all kind of like switching a little bit dovish now, and potentially pricing in the cuts. So as soon as Fed starts cutting, it's gonna be too late to sell the dollar. It's like kind of like, market has already priced it in. I think that's what I think, and
Yeah.
it's also coincides with like, if we look at 1 year candle, we are exactly at like half of it. So it's a good time to reverse pretty much. So yeah, while looking at the dollar, I can see that pound is moving as well. We had this inside bar here as liquidity, which we have now taken. I could expect this candle to close bullish as
To
well.
go up.
We
Yeah.
also have
I
a gap.
totally agree with this one. The way you tell now, it's already formed the wick, and we are on the
Yeah,
forest demand zone, and I'm totally agree with this. And also, I think Hiramani will tell on this. Like I'm completely agree. The way you tell
yeah.
now about the
The-
demand
my,
zone and
my,
the wick
my
zone,
main
I
my
totally.
main Yeah, my main concern is that we did not hit discount levels, but we are in a discount on daily, so we could at first move out of it completely and then come back into it and
Mhm.
continue with this momentum up here. So that's on a 4-hour chart, and then I'll just move to 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is a little bit difficult because we had literally 4 candles here, and we're moving within that range. But as you can see on 15-minute, we have this sweep zone here, and a sweep zone is something that has taken liquidity and made new high. So if you can take a look here, its price has pushed back down, strongly reacted up, and then ever since this point, it tried to make a new lower low for the price to trend down, and it failed. It printed this higher low, and then it printed a new higher high. So for me, this is a good area for price to react. Now I'll just see if
Arnas, can you please
price.
check GBP USD? It's looking
Yeah, I
good for
will.
sell.
Yeah,
Uh, And the
yeah,
way you
yeah,
tell
I
now
will.
that this is the demand zone for the DXY, that the GBP USD is exactly correlating with the DXY. It's completely
Yeah,
showing
I
the
know.
cells in GBP, and I can see a bias on the DXY.
Yeah, we just might react from here, but let's check. Okay, so now we are in let's see. So we had the reaction. We are still bullish. We need to clear this low. So if we clear this low, I'll put a limit order. So if we clear this low, I'll just my bet will be that this is the high of the day. Simple as that.
Mhm.
On GU, right? GU on GU,
Yeah, GU. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I
totally
need
agree.
to
I'm
wait.
totally,
Yeah, I
totally
just need
agree.
to wait until this one is wicked, because right now, if we look at 5 minutes, I mean, we could still react from this level here. I mean, barely, but if we get a new low, yeah, I mean, 10 pip stop loss is fine. So I bet that this is my daily high. And then we also have this imbalance here. As you can see, 5 minute candle opened up and did not leave any wick. So we might still tap in here and then continue down. So that gives me a little bit better entry levels. So what I would like to do to make sure that my orders are filled, like this is the area I want to get in around, and then leave a sizable stop loss. This would be, for example, 134,669. I like 69, so I'll put the price there.
Yeah,
That's good.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I got you.
this looks good for me. 7 stop
The
loss.
chat is going crazy after hearing this. The chat is going crazy after this. Chat want to listen this kind of thing.
Yeah.
I would like
Well,
to tell
Khaled
funding
said, take it. Khaled said, let's be, ourselves. So I'm just being myself. But yeah, so I guess,
Mhm.
but again, we
Yeah.
still need to see this level go. So, so my orders are not in until I see this level go. This needs to go.
like you're looking for closing below the previous candle, right?
No, yeah, no, wick is fine.
Okay, all right. By the way, I agree with this. Also,
Yeah,
I have running trade on gold.
you have already.
Arnas, do you believe that GU and gold go with the same flow, like they
Yeah, yeah,
relate?
yeah, yeah,
I'm long on man. I'm long on gold.
yeah. Don't
I
worry
don't want
about it.
to lose life. Although my position is in profit, if you can see, I don't want to lose
Don't
life.
worry. I might be wrong. Don't worry about it.
No, no,
But
I'm
it's
not going to close after like hearing anyone's statement, but I'm just telling you, I'm against you. But like, if GU performs, like, I don't want to tell anything. Just I will
well
show you.
for me simply, Taufik. For me, it's like gold is still pushing nicely. The 4-hour candle is not like it's just
The
pushing
the,
up.
the main, yeah, there's a reason I enter in the gold, and I see the previous LTF 4 hour time frame and 1 hour. Then I'm
Yeah.
thinking things good. This is something what I'm doing every day. And Paulina said to me, you have to do whatever you are doing in your life. The way you trade, you have to trade exactly the same way.
Yeah, 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 exactly.
Thank you,
And now I'm
Paulina.
looking at
If you're
the at,
watching,
at the
thank you.
dollar. Look at the dollar. So now we're reacting from a supply zone here. So that's why I marked it up because we had an impulse down into this level. We had an little impulse up, but we're not making any higher highs. So price is still bearish. The only confluence here is we have the sweep here, and then just a little move up from like a reaction from this level. So that's why I'm waiting for the pound
Anas, can
to
you can you
make
shift to
a
the
new
5 minute
low.
time frame? Is there a 5 minute time
A
frame
one
on
minute,
DXY? 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute.
5 minute. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Just simply because it's still bearish. Like
Yeah,
we need
on
to
5 minutes,
see.
it's looking big. If we two candles high, we can see some upside movement. What I'm saying here.
Yeah, because I would like to see this like wicked. If we have a wick, that would be great here.
Like you are saying, the current candle should make a wick on this low. You just marked, right?
Not the current, not necessarily the current. Now I'm just looking like the time
Okay,
is
all right,
40. So we're now
understand.
closing 15-minute candle soon. We'll close 15-minute candle soon. Um, and then let's see how it closes. If it closes bearish, then we might potentially just
I
push
don't know
bearish
why,
because there was a good initiation.
Arnas, it's looking bearish on 15 minute time frame. If I see
Yeah,
on the
but
4 hour
but
time frame, it's looking bearish.
yeah, yeah, but it's the thing about it is that it's 2 minutes until the candle closes, so it might just pop up bullish.
Let the candle
We
close.
we we need to wait for the candle to close.
And
Mhm.
I noticed it so many times that if candle want to close bullish, it will show you till the end that is going to go
Yeah,
close
yeah,
bearish. Like it reverse in the exact last moment. If I talk about, I literally trade candles so much. So if I talk about 5 minute candle, I'm seeing candle. It's on the direction of bearish, right? It will look like bullish till 3 minute of the 5 minute candle, and the last minute it
yeah,
will reverse complete on that point.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
That's something
yeah.
I'm very
It's
much.
that's what market. It's for the impatient ones. There's a good saying that it's markets are a tool to transfer money from patient ones to impatient
Im-
ones.
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
totally
yeah,
agree.
yeah.
Totally
Heramani
agree.
knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, but what's the chat saying? How do you guys handle losses? How do you handle losses, Heramani?
If I have loss, I will stop trading for at least a day. I'll skip a day.
Yeah.
Heramani, what do you
What
do
about you?
apart from trading? Heramani.
Apart from trading, I have my own community. So
Okay, alright.
I mentor over there, and I'm also a psychology coach over there. And I run some business in my hometown as well. So that's it.
Yeah, actually,
Good.
if I talk
Good.
about myself, what I do to avoid over trading, I do many things. Like when I have a bad day in trading, if I talk about if I lost two trading random session, I go to play
Mm-hmm.
sports like cricket or any video game. Apart from that, I do e-commerce business, like where I don't want my focus should be on a single place only. Like if I
Mm-hmm.
do trading only, my focus will be completely on trading, watching chart and this and that. So that's why I try to come busy myself in different things as well. So that's how I do. And this is something which is helping me a lot from last couple of years, if I tell you. And I started making money in prop firm after this when I started playing sports and doing gyms and doing other things as well. So that's played an important role in my journey if I talk about.
Yeah, it's important to have something else to do, because um, the markets cannot be your escape. It has to be
Yeah.
something, um, like you need to be good elsewhere to be profitable trading, because it's like it cannot be your escape from your 9 to 5 or whatever. You need to
Mm-hmm.
be, you need to not need you need to not need money to make money in the market. If you need money, you will not make money in the markets.
Yeah,
But
people make
if
the
you
Uh-huh.
don't, if
perception
you,
that
yeah.
yeah, you tell now, Arnas, I wanna hear you, bro. You tell, I'll tell
No,
after
no,
you. You tell.
no, I'm done. I'm done.
I was saying that people have a wrong perception that they will escape 9 to 5 when they are starting trading. And trading require multiple years, lot of up and downs, and you cannot make money if you are depending on trading only. And what I see, people are after completing their degrees and graduation, they say, "Okay, I will do trading and make money, this and that, the Dubai and the Lamborghini." You know it, the social media thing, and people need to understand it is a professional business, proper business. You hear Arnas was saying that this was the discount level, this was the premium level. How a business works? Business. If a product, if a businessman want to buy a product to sell someone, what he will look. If a product has $100 price, he want to buy that product at $90 in order to sell at $150. That's something we have to do. We have to see premium and discount. This is a complete business. If you are not treating this as a business, you're going to lose, man. Literally, I'm saying this. I lost a lot. Literally, Ernest, you will not believe. In the very young age, I lost a lot. And funding
Yeah.
pips is a hope. Is funding will gives me hope that I can do well. I can do make money. I can fulfill my dreams, whatever I have been seeing from last years. And bus, that thing. That's all I want to say about those who think they can escape rat race or escape everything 9 to 5 while doing trading.
Yeah, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
my first month on trading pips was, I think I started with a $50,000 account. It was 2023 November of
Yeah, yes,
2023.
yes.
I had a $50,000 account. I made $17,000 in profits from funding pips. That's when it was like, yeah, 26 or 27% return on the account. It was when they had weekly. For me, it was the weekly 80% profit split. That's it. I mean, it's it's if it's like the only prop firm where it's possible to get your money out weekly. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
That was life changing and a game changer for me, because I used to overtrade. If I start to get greedy, like, oh, I have made like 5K, and then I need to wait for like 10 days until my payout. With funding pips, if I traded 4 days and made this money, I only need to wait 3 days and then get it paid.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, the
Mm-hmm.
weekly split changed everything. And $50,000 account, it's, I think, in my opinion, is the most powerful account that there is. You don't need 100K account. Just get yourself a 50K funded account with funding pips. and it cost like few $100 only. With the one step, I like two step pro, it's like very cheap as well, and it's also paid weekly 80% if you can handle the little a little bit less drawdown, and it's a life changer, man. For me, at least it was. What about you, Haramani?
So first of all, I also appreciate that every week payout is a great for me, but for now in funding pips I choose monthly payout for me,
Okay.
because for monthly payout it will be 100% profit split for me as well. So
Yeah.
I'm a swing trader. That's why I prefer this monthly time frame payout. So for in monthly time frame, I will trade just maximum 5 to 8 trades per month. I trade maximum. So in that trade, I will hold for 2 3 days.
Yeah.
It's my 80 to 90%. I hold for 2 3 days, and after that, I will wait for my payout for the next month. And if I have 3 accounts in funding pips right now currently, so in another account I will choose bi-weekly, and in another third account I choose weekly payout, so I can adjust my payout time by time according to my setup.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. For a swing trader, that's perfect. Like you know, if monthly is completely fine when you're taking so little trades, and you
Hmm.
have to hold them for like 2 3 days.
Uh-huh,
Arnas,
uh-huh.
how much time it will
And
take you to make your first $10,000?
Uh,
can I share the breakdown of DXY?
yes, please. Yes, please.
You can share there. Arnas, did you listen to my question, bro?
Huh?
I asked you that how much time it will take you to reach first $10,000 in trading only.
Uh oh, in trading, um, like I don't know, 6 years, 5 years, something like that. Like since I started the.
That's me. I'm on the right path, bro. That's when I'm on the right
For
path.
me, for me, yes, bro, you're in the right
Heramani, I
path.
want
For
to
me
hear
it
you,
took
bro.
me 5 plus years.
Yeah, yeah. It's
And
like
Heramani,
people.
It took me more than
I
five
want to
years.
ask something more. I want to ask something more.
Yeah, sure.
After reaching your first $10,000, how much time it will take you to reach 100K and 150K? I want to know the duration that if someone is struggling in the early stage, early years, how much time it will take after reaching a certain point, a certain years in
Like
experience.
8 months, 6 to 8 months.
That's something I exactly the same story I hear from the I guess Macro can I don't know the remember the name. Macro who's come yesterday a day before he was
Yeah.
in loss for 5 years and within 1.5 year he make somewhere around 6,50,000 dollars. That's insane. Same
Yeah, yeah,
story I
yeah, yeah, yeah.
relate with
Yeah, Armas, Zamco Capital. Yeah,
Zamco Capital. Yeah,
Hmm.
sorry, bro,
he's
Zamco
insane.
Capital. He's great
He's
trader.
a one of a kind, one of a kind. Like I think it was he was his first payout. Like it was April 2024, I think, and he's got like 650K total. He's like
Ooh,
insane. Yeah, yeah,
it's
Like people
impressive,
need
bro.
to understand, like to people need to patient in the often. I understand
Mhm.
this. I was thinking to ask to Ernest this question so badly, like how much time?
yeah, yeah.
I totally
Okay, let's
agree.
see.
That's mean I'm
Let's see
yeah,
Heramani's analysis. Let's
yeah,
see Heramani's
Heramani,
chart.
what do you bro?
Okay. So for me, I always started from weekly time frame. So for now, I can see DXY is in bearish trend. So like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So here I can see for this week, I can see on DXY a small gap up opening. So for me, my dealing range is from this high to this low. So this is my dealing range for this week. So I can see a swing low over here again. So I can see some upwards movement for now. So previous week, I want to see this fair value gap to be closed above by this candle. So it already closed above this fair value gap. So I can anticipate this after this opening on Monday. I can see as a manipulation. It goes down first and it will pull up again in the uh, Thursday, Friday like that. So my delinquents will be over here in this order block, and after we got over here, my uh, area point of interest will be within this high. This high will be very interested for me in coming weeks for DXY. So in daily time frame, uh, for this week, this was my very low hanging fruit target, but it actually goes up and it filled this gap. And for now, I can see it. This was already respected above this high. So for me, I want to see to break below this low with a daily time frame candle, and otherwise I want to see to break this high with daily time frame. After that, only I will anticipate for my next setup in EU and GU. So till now, I trade in only in 1 hour, 2 hour time frame in EU and GU. So I want to see some candle closing at least in 4 hour. At least in 4 hour, I want to see to close below this low if I want to be bearish in DXY, and if I will be in the bullish in DXY, I want to see to close at least this high by 4 hour candle. So after that, only I will anticipate for EU and GU. So till now,
Makes sense.
till now my bias is 50-50. So I don't trade till now. But today I can see some
And
very good scalping on Euro USD.
Arnas, can you see GU?
Okay.
GU is performing well, the
yeah,
way we
yeah, yeah.
discussed.
I see the chat. Chat is going
Hmm.
fucking crazy, just spamming GBP, GBP.
It's the one like,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
I'll see on
Should we pick
five
some
minute.
questions, Arnas and Heramani? Should we pick some questions from the live stream? People are literally
If
asking from so long.
if people are asking, yeah, sure. I just want to set like the price is
Like,
so close
Arnas,
to
may I
my
ask you some question? Like, I'm picking chats. I will ask you. Okay, is it okay?
okay.
Like, people are asking if someone has 50K master account, when you stop
Hmm.
trading after making a profit on your live master account. Like, someone is asking, is 5% making is good, or you will trade continue after that as well? Or you make, you stop yourself after making 2-3% profit on master account.
I usually stop myself when I usually stop myself once the payment date is there, or I'm in crazy profits. Yeah,
Oh my
that's
God,
it.
I'll
Yeah,
show you
I
something. Like,
mean,
Arnas, I'll show you something. You will call me crazy that what you are doing, bro. You will call me, right? I will show you something. What I did on
yeah.
my master account, I have a 10K account. Like, I usually don't trade big accounts. And after sitting with Arnas and Iravani and this
We
and
have
that people,
a we
I'm going
almost
to
have
buy
three.
big account.
Hold on, bro. Tavik, hold on, hold on, hold on. We
Yeah.
are we are a how much? It's 0.0000. Okay, we are breaking the level. No, not yet. I just want to confirm that once there we go, it's gone. So I'm adding, I
Hmm.
just had my alert and I'm adding my order just so.
Let's go, guys. Let's go make some money. You guys can copy the trade of Arnas.
Okay, for me, in my 50,000 account, I stop when I reach 2 to 3%. So when I reach 2 to 3%, I stop trading until my payout. So after
Hiramani,
I
what
get my
what
payout.
if you have Hiramani, what do you have if you have 10K account, master account? Will you still
Hmm.
stop after getting to 3%?
Yes,
Okay, all
100%.
right, I understand. I understood. Means you take decision on the basis of percentage, not the money like
Mhm.
200 or 20 or
Bro,
2000.
as a trader, for me, as a trader, we don't need to scale our percentage. Okay, we need to scale our account. Just
True.
2 to 3% is enough for me. So I want to scale my account, not my percentage.
Got it, bro.
Yeah, yeah. The capital is the answer. It's
Hmm.
the capital is the answer. Like I mean, the goal is probably what, like manage 5 million and make 2% a month. That would be crazy, right? I mean,
Hmm.
and then like just the risk, like you can forget about losing, like forget about taking 0.5% trades. You can just take 0.1% risk on account, and that's it, and make good money in terms of dollar value.
Hmm. So actually, when in my master account, I risk 0.5%. sometimes I risk 1%. So
Arnas, what
when I
about you,
was
bro?
in
What do you say, Tawfiq?
I am asking, what about you? How much percentage you risk on your master account?
Oh, 0.5. That's I used to risk like Heramani a little bit more on, like, for example, sometimes 0.5, sometimes 1%. But then my strategy doesn't like it. I need to like stick
Mhm,
to one complete like to one risk setting, because my win rate is like around 30%. So it's like
mhm,
I have big losing streaks. So sometimes few trades that I take with bigger risk like fucks everything up, you know. And
uh-huh,
then I calculate, if I stuck to my regular risk, then perhaps I would not have gotten so much in drawdown. And it's just like we need to we need to be consistent in everything, not only in taking trades, not only in taking profits, not only in showing up trading certain strategy, but also in the percentage of the account we risk. Okay, we're moving up in pound, and the dollar is making perhaps a new lower low, so I'm expecting a sweep, and then perhaps we can get the trigger in.
For me, when I do scalping, I risk very less, and when I enter in higher time frame, I risk 1%.
Okay, Arnas is lagging.
Like
They
you,
tell me that.
like you risk same, like you risk same in evaluation and master. Do you go aggressive on emulations?
Yeah, like 2-3% per trade.
God is man. Well, I see the people who have made multiple $1,000 on platform. Everyone is the same way, like aggressive in the evaluation phases,
Yeah,
and
I
then
mean,
get
your
passive
risk
in
is
it.
only a few $100s, so it's not like you're risking thousands, you know.
No, totally agree. Do you manage live capital owners? Heramani?
Huh?
Do you manage live capital own funds, personal accounts?
Yes, yes.
People are literally asking, that's why I'm asking
Yeah, you'll
this.
have to excuse me. I need to
I'm very sad.
use the bathroom.
Mhm. Uh, After 9:30 New York opening, I can see some bullishness on US 30 as well. So let's see after 9:30, I can get I can get some scalping as well. Can you hear me, Tafik?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. I think someone has an internet connection. I don't know who is. People are literally
Mhm.
saying that.
So
Yeah, continue, bro.
can you tell me
Heramani, I'm
about
hearing
how?
you. I'm hearing you. Heramani, continue. I'm hearing you, bro.
Look what I brought, guys. I have some toilet paper.
Internet is lagging, bro. Sorry,
Oh my,
I can't hear you properly.
oh my God, what is this? I see.
It's a toilet paper made of 500 euro bills.
Chat, how are you, chat? How are you guys doing? Do you guys enjoy this stream?
Arnas is
So
just
please drop
flexing.
on the comment hashtag Tradin TV. So we are Trading TV. Please drop on the chat hashtag Trading TV. So and if you want to know anything else, like in any breakdown or something like that, please let us know. We will try our best to help you out.
Also, subscribe to the channel, like the stream as well.
Bro, can you hear me now?
Funding tip is best for me. Yes, bro. Funding
Okay,
tip
okay.
is best.
So
No
uh,
problem is here and there when it comes to funding tip.
what's your how do you handle
What are you
losses,
saying, bro?
Tufik?
Bro, I told you about that. I have a fixed percentage of risk. Like if I have an account of 100K, I'll risk only 3% in a day. Like I used to take risk 1%, either it's evaluation or master. If I'm doing losses, if I do 3% loss in a day, I stop trading and I know, I check my journal. that I make sometime 1:3, 1:5. I make sometime a lot of money. So
Okay,
I
so in 4 hour
know
Euro
myself that if I lose
USD is
today, I
closing
can
above
borrow.
this fair value gap on daily time frame in 4 hour. So it's very interesting right now. So from this level, I can see some retracement over this um, order block and this fair value gap. So I can see doing like this at least until to this level. Somewhere here,
You're looking at
I
euro
can
dollar,
see
right?
some bullishness over here after some pullback. So let's see. The 4 hour candle is closing very nicely above this fair value gap. And for DXY, it goes down again. For DXY, my minimum expectation was for this, in 4 hour, this long wick, I want to see to come at least in this 50% equilibrium part. This from this long wick equilibrium part, I'm very interested to see to come over here. It's my today's plan.
Yeah, I'm looking at the dollar as well. It's consolidating a little bit. I am looking for it to go a little bit lower.
So that's my plan for me for this week and today. So till now, I'm waiting for New York to be open at New York 9:30. So after that, I want to see some bullishness on US 30 as well. Yesterday also, I took entry over here. I think so. After over here, I took some entry on US 30. This was my yesterday's entry, and my target is somewhere around here. I just took
Means
this trade as
you are
well
in buy in
yesterday
US
on
30.
US 30. Can you hear me, guys?
Heramani, are you in
Chat, can you hear
buy?
me?
We are hearing you, bro. We are hearing you. You are not hearing us. Heramani, can you hear us?
If you can hear me loud
Both
and
of.
clear, please drop one on the chat, please.
I think
One,
Arnas is not hearing us. I
one.
think there's something glitch or issue.
No, I'm hearing
He's
everything
not
fine.
hearing. Bro,
Taufiq, can you hear me? Ernest, bro,
Yeah, I
bro, we
can.
can
I
hear
hope
you. We
I'm
can
not
hear you.
lagging
Can you
as
hear
well.
us? You are lagging, bro. You are lagging.
Okay,
How can I
so
tell you, bro?
meanwhile, we are waiting for the connection to be good. How can I help you guys? Chat, please drop me on the chat. How can I help you in risk management? I will share my risk management as well. I will share my idea. How would I handle losses? And in my risk management is very different in challenge phase in after master account, because after master account I used to risk 0.5% to 1%. And when I was in challenge, I risk around, let's say, up to 2.5% I risk on challenge, from 1% to 2.5. So after I passed the account, when I got a master account, I reduced my risks and I reduced my trade as well in my master account. So it helped me a lot. So I hope you can try that one. So it may help in your journey as well to pass this challenge. So you can take from FundingPips, you can try 50K, 100K, even you can start from 10K as well. So till now, in my experience, FundingPips is one of the most friendly and very good community as well. So I'm very grateful to the team, to the FundingPips team. And I want to see some upside. It's already going up right now on US 30. So in 1 hour, I want to see this fair value gap to be fill up and it candle to be closed above this fair value gap. If this candle close above this fair value gap, then I want to see some retracement after 9:30 opening, and then I want to take a small entry like scalping in US 30. If this goes up and it closes above this fair value gap, that's my only plan for now. And for gold, I'm done with the gold today itself in London session. So my entry were somewhere around here. Today I took entry over here. Somewhere here I took my entry today, and my TP will be, my stop is somewhere here. Okay. And my TP is somewhere here. So I'm done with the call for today, but I will wait for the next week to be opening. I want to see some bullishness on gold as well.
That's why I'm biased.
And in DXY, I want to see price to respect over here in this level, this weak level and this gap level. We can see some gap over here. So if this respect in goes up and it breaks the high, then I will be bullish on DXY in coming weeks. How do you keep your
How do
confidence
keep
after
your
losing
loss
streak? I
something
find a
like
bit difficult sometimes to stay confident after 4 or 5 losses. So it happens to me with my experience as well, but it will come with your experience, how much experience you have in this market. And for me, it's my strict rule. Like if I lost, I will be taking break at least a day. At least a day, I will take a break. I will close my chart. I will close everything, my computer. I will close everything, and I will focus on my another work, like in my community or in my personal business. I will focus on another things, and I will close for at least a day to settle my mindset, to settle my psychology, or to settle my emotion. So I try like that.
Hiramani, can you hear
And
us? Hiramani,
I do
man.
meditation as well.
Arnas, can you
Meditation
hear me?
helps me a lot to me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Every
I
day
think
I do
Hiramani cannot
meditation
hear us.
5 to 10 minutes daily.
I think so.
I
So
think
it
he's not hearing
helps me
us.
to calm down
Team,
my
funding this team, please look into this.
situation. It
I
helps
think
me
there is
to
some
calm down
bugs.
my thinking style.
There is
So
some
it
bugs. I want to
helps me a
share
lot.
something. I'm not
Meditation
able to
also. You can try
speak.
it. So as a trader, I see
This guy is
trading
not
is like
letting
a
stop
spiritual journey.
continuously.
It's a spiritual journey, so we have to control our mind. So at the end of the day, technical analysis, it doesn't matter. If you trade, if you want to trade ICT, if you
Hey, at
want to
least he's
trade
talking about smart
smart money
things, so
concept, if
it's
you are
good.
trading with indicators,
It's
it doesn't
I'm
matter.
useful
reading,
things
bro.
he's talking.
Take it
I'm
as
not
simple
able
as
to
that you
speak
can,
anything.
and
You
just
I
probably
want to
focus
muted
on
us.
interrupt
your
him.
discipline. Just focus on your mindset. Your technical doesn't matter at the end of the day. Just know some 2 3 simple setup. Study that setup for a long time, like minimum 2 to 3 years, I would say. Study that strategy, try it. You can find try and error in your journey, but uh, you are trading SMC, smart money concept, anything you can trade, but it doesn't matter actually. The only thing matter is that how can you handle the losses? How can you handle when you are in very emotion? That is the part. So if you want to improve in that part, in that psychology part, you have to be a very good learner. So I'm still, I have experience over 6 years, but still I'm learning from my seniors. Still I'm learning from my seniors. I'm reading books. I'm reading books in personal development. I'm listening to podcasts, and I do meditation as well. And one of my biggest breakthrough is that when I came to know, like my daily routine is very important. So as a trader, your daily routine is very important. So for example, if you are with your daily routine, so how can you be disciplined in this financial market? It could be impossible, right? So first of all, just focus on yourself, try to improve yourself, and focus on your daily routine. And first, you have to be disciplined in your daily routine. So you have to read books, do some meditation, do some back testing. And as a trader, you have to journal each and every day. For me, to my youngster, I guide them, uh, uh, journal every day. If you enter the trade or if you don't enter the trade, it doesn't matter. For me, I trade each and every day. If I don't enter any trade today, that day also I will do my journaling. So I will write down why. I'll write down the, and if I took trade, I will before taking what's my trade. When I'm holding my trade, I'll write down that emotion as well. And after the trade, after it may be in profit or it may be in loss, I will write down these three different emotions, and I will uh, discuss myself what where I can do better, and I
Arnas,
will write some notes like what I'm learning from this trade and what will be my mistake from this trade. I will
we
come
are
to
not
know,
able to
and I
see
will
you.
continue with that. Okay, guys, are you learning something today? Please let me know in the chat.
Yes, bro.
Guys, are you learning something today? If you really learning something today from this channel, please do subscribe and please share to your near and dear ones. Are you guys learning something today? Please let me know in the chat. Come on. If you guys do some learning today, please drop hashtag trading TV.
Taufiq, you want to share your chart?
Mm, I'm waiting to reply of Heramani. Is he able to hear us or not?
Heramani, can you hear us?
Guys, can you hear me? Yes, yes, I
Yes,
can
we
hear
can
you.
hear.
Bro, we are hearing you from
Okay,
so
good.
long.
But I can't see you.
Yeah.
It's already lagging in my
Heramani, you are not
system.
able to see us. Heramani, you are not able to
I
see
can
us.
hear Tufik and I can see both of your camera.
I think he has some bugs. Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay, let
Share your screen now.
we are about to close the stream.
I'm from
I will share
Lithuania.
my. Here. Arnas, can you see the charts?
Yeah, we can see.
Heramani.
To
Yes, I told
Tufik,
in the
can you hear me?
beginning of the session that
Arnas, can you
we
hear me
have
as
this
well?
liquidity.
Yeah,
Bro, we
all
can
good.
hear you.
Heramani.
Hiraman, hear you. We can hear you. We can hear you.
Chat is just making fun.
Okay, I'm
We
taking my
can hear
screen.
you. Don't worry.
Arnas, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. As a beginning of the stream, I told that this is the liquidity level, and I'm in the buy zone and waiting for the take profit or stop loss. And we are on the stream and about to trail my stop loss because if I show you how much it's going, it's 20 pips above the my entry. So we're still waiting for the target, and we have the liquidity somewhere around 3364. And if you see the 15-minute candle, this is showing the bullishness. Like uh, we BS tried to pull it down like on this level. This taken out the liquidity of the previous candle, and I noticed it so many times that the liquidity is somewhere around the lows of the candles and highs of the candle. And this 15-minute is looking good. That's why I'm not closing and I'm still holding this trade. And let's see how will this play out. And I can what I can do as a trader. My job as a trader is to protect my capital. So what I can do, I can little bit trail it because it's also giving this candle push towards the upside. That's why I'm doing this. And I think we are about to close this stream because it's around about to 2 hours. So there's something. Over to you, Arnas and Hiraman.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the setup to play out. Let me share. Just pretty much waiting. Price is bullish for now. I had my signals. I have my inducement here. So there's liquidity. And it's now popping up. So let's see if we are in or not. If we get an entry, 69 here. 69. And I expect dollar to sweep these lows. We
Arnas
want
is so
price
upset.
to liquidate. They are saying this is definitely one of the best live streams. Hell yeah, bruh.
Thank you so much.
You know, we get payouts and we make money because we drink special water. They send us special water from Dubai. It's called, it's
Arnas,
like
can
this.
you hear me?
Yeah, we can
Yes.
hear you, Heramani. We can hear you.
Okay. So I can hear Taufiq.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right. Now it's all right.
you should hear me also.
I can hear
Let
you,
me
but I
blow
can't.
the. Come on. I'm not in
Same
yet.
I'm doing on gold. Same I'm doing on gold.
I can
Please
hear
go
you
up, bro.
very properly, but I can't
Okay.
hear
I
Taufiq.
am now in. Let's
Mhm.
see. And if I lose this trade, that's it for me today.
You enter,
The
Arnas, you
smart
enter
money
in the
guy.
trade.
The smart money guy,
Yes.
they will talk. He is in. He is
And
in.
I'm going break even here.
Dump it.
Let's go, boys. Finally, Arnas got a trade. And let's see how it play out. I'm already in the trade. That's why I'm not taking another. And I'm just doing this to push gold higher and higher. Okay, let's do.
The smart money guys are watching our live. So if we got any entry, they will call. He is in. Pump it.
I
He is
am in,
in. Dump it.
but the
No,
dollar
no,
is
he's
dumping.
dumping GU. He's dumping GU and pumping DXY.
Dollar is falling right now.
Yeah, that's the main concern, but I'm okay since we are still holding this demand. We'll see.
Area.
I do not care about a single outcome of a single trade.
That should be the mindset before placing any trade. Like, don't giving a fuck to like the outcome, either it's profit or loss.
This is how much fucks you should give, like this much.
Already Arnas making a lot of money. He don't give a fuck even if he blow 10, 20 accounts. Am I right, Arnas?
Yes.
He is using dollar when in using of product paper. Okay. Let's observe why.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's look at the chart and let's get some dopamine. Dopamine in. You know.
Mm.
Let's see how. What I'm expecting right now. This 15-minute candle to close bullish. That's what I expect. Like just before it closes, perhaps to flip bullish. That's kind of what I think we could see, you know.
I can also see some retracement on ZU. I can see some bearishness on GU.
My main
But
concern is
the concern is DXY, right?
no, it's also 4-hour candle just made a low. So we could take this
Bro, Geo is
as well.
pumping massively on 15-minute time frame. Crazy. I don't have balls to sell right now if you are talking to me about selling Geo. No.
We shall see.
Mm, yeah.
Mhm.
The bet was the high of the day. That's it. I mean, it came into an area of interest. It showed some bearish signs on 15-minute time frame, and we are just betting that this is the high of the day. So that would be it. But it's just going straight through now. It did mitigate this wick that I was waiting for here. So now this imbalance is taken. Let's see.
Confirmation candle saved me most of the time.
We have a stop loss, so we are protecting the capital. Can you guys talk a bit about mindset, Arnas? Okay, what sort of what would you like to hear? The mindset is that mainly um, it's a game of probabilities. You know, it's you should not be amused by trading and by single outcomes, by single outcome of the trade. You should look at it as business with losses, with a balance sheet, with operating income, with operating loss, you know, fixed losses. And then, for example, your subscriptions, your challenge fees as not fixed loss. What do you call it? Fixed loss, and then variable cost, a variable loss as well. And you know, just execute if you see the signs in the market, just execute. You know, it doesn't matter if you win or lose. It's all about because it's out of your now. I mean, it's out of my control, right? If I lose or if I win, it's out of my control. It fit ever since I started analyzing the chart, since the start of the stream. My plan was for price on the 4-hour chart to reach the area here, wait for a 15-minute, some sort of a signal that price might become bearish, and then when it does, when these signals present themselves, I just enter. That's it. And it doesn't matter if it's a win or loss, because now we have a new high. Because at the end of the day, like, I mean, I could be seeing 5 of these losses in a row, but then have 2 of the same setups working out, and then I'm break even anyway. So
Someone asking how to
uh
avoid loss. Bro, you cannot avoid loss. Better you find where the loss is
you
coming
will
from. Is it
you will not avoid the loss. So I mean, people
uh,
I think people are taking too much, they put losses on a pedestal, you know, like it
you can find the way
loss.
that where are the losses coming from, like if it's coming from over trading, difference trading, like analyze your sessions, like it is coming from trading patient session, or is it coming from London or NY session, or you are trading news. So this is something you cannot avoid losses, but you can reduce it. You can magnify your losses key that should be not bigger than your wins. You cannot
And
avoid loss, bro. We all
Alex
take
is saying,
loss.
so like win yay, lose yay. No, you should just remove yay. Why yay? I mean, you should not have any yay or you know, oh I lost, oh I like you should not care.
What I say,
I mean,
Arnas, about this, those who cried or who feel bad after losing amount, you should recall yourself when you made money. Like if you
it's
recall,
it should be something that's very um I mean, it's a business. That's why we keep on saying, treat it as a business, treat it as a business, because in business you have losses. Like the economy would not exist if everybody was profitable. Like, I mean, every single industry would just do profit. I mean, it just doesn't exist. It's business. Like, people think that taking a loss somehow resembles how good or how bad of a trader you are. A loss or a string of losses does not resemble your ability as a trader. It's not like your ability as a trader comes from keeping up to your trading plan, managing your risk, knowing when to stop, etc., etc. These things are the most important part, not like, oh, I won this much and then I lost this much. I mean, last year in July, I made zero money because July is not the best month for me. And then, I mean, for example, a year before, it was completely different. But then it's just we are very attached to the monetary value of trading, which is a very dangerous thing. Arnas, can you please share your chart settings? Thank you. What sort of settings? I mean, colors or?
They are asking for colors. That's looking good.
Yeah, so
Too
4-hour
much white.
candle did sweep previous high. For now, now we might start going down. We'll see. But that's why I like bigger stop losses as well. So yeah, I have my inside bars. It's IBS V2, and then settings like these colors here. Pretty much, that's it. I mean, everything else is just pretty much default, you know. Okay, so dollar wanted to sweep this low, this wick here. So now the plan is for this 4-hour candle to flip bearish, take out the 4-hour
So, Arnas,
wick here.
I'm saying that the
What?
4 hour on this level. If you see 4 hour, this is looking like not strong that much. I'm talking about the GU 4 hour. If you
GU
see,
4-hour,
it's
you're looking
sweep the
at
previous 4 hour can. Little bit,
yeah,
not
like
that
this
much
is I like
strong. This
this.
should
I
be.
like this when the
I like
candle
this so
when
much.
it
Matlab,
opens.
that's my
This is okay
first
reaction.
confidence.
But let's see. I mean, it doesn't matter. We just for now we either wait for a stop loss or for a 2R here. So that's the. I'm not doing anything until I get either 2R and then I go break even. Oh shit! What the fuck? What happened? My chart moved. Oh, Heramani left. I think he did leave, right? No, his light is gone. Are you still in your trade, Taufiq?
Yeah, it's when it's about to kiss the stop loss.
Yeah, I had this area in blue for gold as well as potential sell
The support.
area. Heramani is coming back. His power outage or something there that happened. He's gonna be back soon. We
I'm
might
stop out.
react bullish here.
I'm stop out, bro. Now maybe we can
Shit
see
happens,
GU
bro.
can go down from this level. You told zero
We
fucks.
shall see.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, exactly. Zero fox. Yeah. It has to be zero fox.
I think it's done 1:1. Arnas,
Huh?
I
What did
think
you
your
say?
trade is 1:1 now. It's 1:1.
Close to it.
Are you in trade or not? Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm just waiting for 2 hour until I move to break even. And my
Is your
take
risk
profit
reward
is
fixed or
3.
you? Arnas, is your risk reward is fixed or you like do it manually? Do you have fixed risk
It's
reward like 1:2, 1:3?
yeah. 1-3. 1-3 is my fixed risk to reward, and then I go break even 1-2. That's it. And if
Like
price
you
is
like to
1 to
hold trades?
1. Yeah.
Let's see, boys.
And now 15-minute candle can easily just push up and make a new high. Easy. But we just wait. We shall see. Yeah, I have to go, Alex. I have to go 1-3 because my win rate is like around 30%. So I need a bigger risk reward for it to be profitable. That's why I'm like more aggressive, Like I could have sold perhaps after this candle, but like I saw my stuff happening here and I'm like, okay, let's go. Let's do this, both of Wall Street. Uh, uh, and then perhaps it will play out. Great movie, Wolf of Wall Street. It's just that it's about a fucking scam, but overall, great movie.
Someone is saying take 1:4 risk reward.
Someone is saying what?
Take 1:4 risk reward if you have 30% win rate.
That's better. Yeah, of course. 1-20 is better. Chosen? 1-20 is better. Trust me, it's
Yeah.
1-20 is better than 1-4.
Okay.
And gold is pushing down
Gold
a
is
little.
falling. Gold is
Yeah,
falling.
it took the liquidity here
Almost
and it's just continuing with the trend.
34. It fall down 60 pips. Bro, I was in sale. Good luck, bro. All the best. You make money. I become the
It's
liquidity
also
today.
it's also Friday, so don't worry. But it would be nice to finish with at least a break-even trade, So now it's like this is the target.
Someone is asking why you don't buy bigger rounds. I will buy bigger rounds, bro. I have already secured $2,000 profit with on my another master account. So now I'll keep buy $1 lakh till I reach Arnas payouts. 1,50,000.
Soon, which is gonna be next month for Taufiq.
Thank you
It's
so much,
gonna be
bro, for
next month for
appreciation,
him.
man. Thank you so much.
How many viewers did we get, Taufiq? Did you see what was the maximum?
Payout?
No, viewers on the stream.
Viewers, I think it's about 150 or 200 something. It's 127, bro.
Okay.
Don't worry, guys. Today is Friday. We have low volume in the market, and volume is coming now. but we'll see if we can trade GBP USD. And all those looking good, Geo. But we have to wait, and Geo is going great. Arnas, it's
Yeah,
make
there's
another
still
low.
7 minutes until
Can you guys see
um
the reaction of Arnas? Can you see the reaction of Arnas? He literally gives zero fucks. He's making money although.
yes.
I got to understand, bro. I got to understand how
I
150K dollars is coming from. It's coming from
Tawfiq,
giving
you
zero
forgot.
fucks.
You forgot. It's the magic funding pips water. It's the
I
magic
would
funding
like to
pips water.
Khalid. I would like to Khalid in the funding pips team. Please send it to me. I wanna reach $1 lakh
Yeah.
payout very soon with the blessing of whole funding pips team. I will tag Khalid on this. Like Arnas is literally showing me off. Arnas is flexing me. Bottle. I want bottle at
Wait.
anyhow. I don't know, bro.
No, I'm not flexing. Wait. Let's at least get to break even. I don't want my
Okay,
first trade
alright.
on stream to be it almost turned to a complete like straight to stop loss, almost. But now I just want to see a break even range so we can remove the risk, and then the only probable thing that could happen is either we don't lose anything and we don't win anything, or we win. That's it. My
There should be
most
the
important
mindset.
thing.
There should be the
Yes.
mindset, the way Arsan Anna said. Someone asked you, Tawfiq, why do you always look so happy? Bro, you have
Guys,
to
can you
be
hear me?
happy. No one is giving you happiness. You have to be happy on your own.
Haramani, yes, we can.
Yes, we can hear you, Ramani, bro. You are missing you a
Okay,
lot.
There,
okay,
there,
okay.
there was never a time where we did not hear you. We always heard you all the time.
I lost my
Ramani,
connection, bro.
Heramani, do you know what did happen few months few minutes ago? Like we were both were standing here, Heramani, but you were thinking like you were going with the flow. I'm not going to stop. No one going to stop me today, but that's what's fine. Bro.
He was in the
But
zone.
anyways, but here Arnav, do you know I'm trading for 4 years. I don't have any single friend from my city, my own city, like whom I can share
Yeah.
trades, whom I can do discussion. Thank you so much, Funding Pips, for giving me Heramani as a friend, as a trader who is from same city. I just got to know about him that he is from the same city. We will
Oh
meet.
shit, you guys are from the same city?
Yeah, we are the same city.
Oh
Although we
damn.
don't know each
That's good.
other, Funding Pips make it happen. Finally, after four
That's
years, I
nice.
got a friend whom I'm going to share analysis. Heramani, are you ready, bro? Heramani is again going.
Yeah, he's
Maybe
gone. He's just he cannot take us anymore. He's like, fuck
someone
these
is
people.
asking, hey Tawfiq, how do you manage your time and schedule for trading? See, bro, I my first priority is always trading, and I do other things when I'm not doing trading. When I do loss, I do other things. Like I got a stop out just in front of all the people. I give zero fucks as Arnas advised me, right? What I'm going to do after this, I'll go out with my friends, I'll go do this and that, I'll play cricket, I'll play game. That's how I make myself happy. And you have to be happy in order to grow in life, and nothing like he crying on a single thing that I got to stop out of blows account. I literally blow so many accounts, but I give zero fucks on that.
You can also
Topic
just
left Hiramani speak.
like
Yeah, go.
the best way to like if you're sad, because you lost and took a loss, etc. Just go to the town and talk with some women. It
Annas is
makes you
back
happy.
on his level. Annas is back on his zone. Let's go.
Just talk with women. It's it. They make you happy again, so it's fine.
Arnas, if you keep continue this type of conversation, we are going to get 500, 1,000 views on this live stream. I'm literally
Yeah,
saying this.
sure. Yeah. And then start registering on OnlyFans, no?
We will close this. We will cut this. Khalid is gonna fire us that what you guys are doing here. You are here to promote trading day or doing light trade or you are here
You-
to do something 18 plus stuff.
It's
Arnas
Friday,
is crazy.
so it's Friday. We have to be like a little more loose. Okay, it's one
Ar-
minute
Ar-
30 seconds until the candle closes. If we
yes.
close without breaking high or low, this will be an inside bar. So then it means price has moved in a range, and it's gonna be shown on the chart as a purple candle. So it's a good signal that price has at least faded the bullishness, but the sellers are still not stepping in completely. But I mean, at least we got out of the drawdown, meaning that there was some sellers here. So we are waiting, continuing, and we're waiting for 1.34469 until we get 2R, and then we will be good.
Mhm.
It's almost, how long have we been streaming for? Almost 2 hours now.
Arnas, can I show something? I was
Mm-hmm.
talking earlier about sharing
Sure.
dashboard. Like I will
Go
talk about
ahead.
something funding related to funding this, right? I tried so many firms. Literally, you will not believe. I got rejected payout like 3,000 and 1,500 so many times. I will talk about something on funding tips and the peace of mind I have that I got paid on time. So this is $10,000, and someone was asking me that why you don't buy big accounts. I will tell you now after meeting Heramani and Arnas, I got to know big money comes from big account, right? This was my account and for $1,500. And yesterday, you guys will remember on the Wednesday day, Trump delivered something like spicy, which gives spike right. I made 20% profit on my
Mm-hmm.
live master account, $10,000, which was $200, $2,000, right? And I'm not trading this account. And what I'm doing, I'm doing withdraw from this account, taking payouts and buying and reinvesting the payout in the another account, right? And I have secured $2,000, and the peace of mind I have that I'm not looking at this rate. Like I know that I funding this will deliver my payout, and I would like to show you all, data. Those who have not seen yet the dashboard of, you can see, like you can see everything here. No prop firm will give you this type of interface when it's come to website. Like you can see consistency, daily return, calmer ratio, risk reward, win rate, SL usage. Like you can see, my highest equity was 12,122 dollars. And if we talk about more thing on the website. Like you can see my and the win ratio was 50% on this account. Although my win rate is very low, like 30-35%, and sometimes it's 25, and sometimes it's zero when I blow the account. Right, my average loss was $81. Like I used to chase the high risk reward. I trade like levels. If I mark the liquidity levels, I trade that. Like if I hear someone a good trader, no, I don't give a fuck that what people is saying. If I'm in buy, like I was in buy trade, if someone says me that I'm going to share, I'm not going to change my bias. There's something I want to tell you about whoever was commenting and asking how you trade. Something I would like to show what is consistency and like you can call patience. Like I got to know about patience from last couple of months and weeks. I'm very impatient when it comes to money. That's why I buy funding this program. Because in this, you got 80% profit split and weekly payout, and no prop firm is giving you that much affordability and the 80% profit split within the weekly time, within the weekly payout, right? So this was the first trade. I can show you all the things there. So moral of the this key, what I am want to say you all, just if you wanna buy prop firm account, if you wanna make money in prop firm, only go with FundingPips. Cause the reason what I'm saying is you will never see any prop firm which have not deny a payout. Funding is the only firm which never ever denies a single payout. You will see a lot of people on Twitter and X that this firm denied this payout. I'm not taking any firm name, but you guys know it very well. So better you all before concluding and before ending this stream, I would like to tell you all go with FundingPips only. Your payout is guaranteed by the Khalid itself and the FundingPips itself. And FundingPips is not only the platform;
100%.
it is a revolution. You guys are seeing us. We are live from last 2 years. We are trading live parts, right? And
Mm-hmm.
Khalid said in the very first day, like if Arnas make money, you can copy that trade, and no one from FundingPips will give you like you can say a breach, like you copy the trade. So what is Khalid? What is Khalid doing? Khalid's motto is you all want to see you grow. Khalid always push us to go make more money, make more payouts. And literally I'm saying if I make 20% on any prop firms, like I had a bad experience with the prop firm. I entered in the prop firm where there was my forex one time, right? Because if I make 20%,
Oh, he's lagging.
Hmm. Oh, I see the new beta version. It's very nice, bro. It's impressive.
Yeah. It is. It is, and it also gives you a lot of stats, like good stats,
Hmm.
like when I talked about like with the trading days, etc. Like it takes all of your trades that you made on funding pips. I mean, it's and it or like it's amazing to see like overall stats from like 5,000 trades.
Hmm. That's good.
Yeah. So I recommend everyone to check it out. Check it out.
Arnas, can you
I
see
mean,
me?
it's
Heramani.
now we can. Yeah, you were
Yes,
gone
yes, yes.
before. Let's see the trade. We
I
are
think it
still
will go
waiting.
lower.
It should.
Is it all right?
We are reacting from
Am
a
I
4-hour
audible?
zone. I mean, the only like I only need price to go here to get break even. That's it. The rest can follow. But we have 10 minutes until some volume should kick in. If it will, I'm not sure because it's Friday. That's why I try not to trade a lot on Fridays.
Hmm.
It's 10 more minutes until 15-minute close. So now we have these wicks from the bottom here. A lot of kind of buying.
But we have 10 minutes.
I can hear myself through Taufiq, I think.
He's hacking. He's hacking through YouTube.
It's
Yeah.
lagging on YouTube.
Tawfiq, can I ask you something?
Yeah, bro.
Do you have girlfriend?
What do you think, bro?
What?
That should
You
not
have to say
ask in
yes
this
or
live
no.
stream.
Why are you
Bro,
thinking?
Hiramani, this is professional live stream. Khalid gonna fire you for this. Khalid, I'm not coming live after this. If Hiramani is asking me this type of question. Hiramani, I got to know about you. You are from, I guess, South India.
I'm Northeast
Hiramani,
Manipur.
North. I like Northeast girl, bro. Literally,
Northeast.
I like Northeast girl. You are going to help me in
Hmm.
this. Hope you understand what I'm saying. What about you, Hiramani? Do you have girlfriend, bro?
No,
Not
What a
yet.
straightforward answer.
not yet.
Bro, if someone is watching, why are you waiting? Hiramani makes multiple $1,000 each and every single day. Malan, don't get it. If he's not getting girl, so how I can? I think Arnas has multiple, like as he has multiple
No,
thousand
no, no,
dollars
no.
payout. Maybe. Are
No,
you married,
no,
Arnas?
just
Arnas,
one. Come on.
I hope
Whenever you don't
Arnas
look
has
married.
four to five different accounts subscription of OnlyFans.
Yes, of course. 100%.
Oh my goodness! What he
I'm
just
the
said,
biggest fan of
bro.
OnlyFans. Yes.
That's crazy.
Heramani, I have my OnlyFans model at home. I don't need to pay. It's fine.
Oh my goodness.
I can watch OnlyFans for free
Guys,
at home.
funding 15. Please add a tag 18 plus adult. This stream is going to on a different level now. This is no more
It's
trading. We are not
Friday,
trading. No
Taufik.
trading.
Taufik, I told you it's Friday. They told us to be ourselves. So that's their own fault. If
Yes,
they
we should
said,
be. We
"Oh,
should
be
be.
yourself. Be yourself." So
So one
We are
thing I
being
would like to
ourselves, right?
like Arnas and
Exactly.
Heramani, I am requesting FundingPips team. Give us slot of only Friday. We are not going to trade here. We will do some fun like this. And that should make
I
it
am
just sweet.
I am actually scheduled for next Friday as well. For next Friday, and then
Oh my
the next
god,
week
how
I
much
think.
you're getting paid for
Yeah,
Arnas, how much you are getting paid for this after a week?
I am paying for the slot to be with you. When they told me you're with Taufiq and Heramani, I was like, how much do I have to pay to be with those guys?
That's going crazy, bro. That's going crazy. And if you see,
Oh,
guys, whoever is watching, you are not here to be like crying on your stop loss. Look at me, man. Look at me.
yes.
Just stop out and laughing like crazy with it. Like I don't give a zero words. And literally, Arnas motivates me on this. By the way, I used not used to be sad after getting struck out. It's a part of the process. I know. I showed you my dashboard that I made
Gold chart.
multiple
Okay.
chart. Yeah, let's come to the chart.
Gold chart. Nothing on gold. Gold is just took the liquidity here of the inside bar, reacted from the supply zone, and now reacting of this retest area. And it's just, I mean, the volume is dying down. I don't know, like for me, Friday, 5 p.m., usually I'm gone by this time. It's literally, I don't remember last time that I was in the office at this hour. I mean, I'm gone. I'm already somewhere outside, like, or going to in the woods, you know, like walking around, etc. Town, usually out of here.
Arnas,
But
what do
when
you
it's not,
do when you are pissed
what?
off? Arnas, what do you do when you are pissed off from markets? Not
When I'm
continuously
what?
losing day and day and day. I'm asking, what do you do when you are pissed off
Um,
from market? Like you are continuously losing every day. Like, what do you do?
usually I travel. I leave the country and like go somewhere, or just go in the car and drive.
Mm-hmm.
I also listen to a lot of audiobooks. A lot of audiobooks like Trading in the Zone, like a lot of Mark Douglas stuff. I don't know how many times I heard I don't know how many times I did those audiobooks. Then also the new one that I listened was The Best Loser Wins, I think. That's the last one that I was listening to, and it's a great
Mm-hmm.
Like you
great
keep
book.
read book again and again. Like you keep
Yeah,
reading
it's
to
like
recall all the
I
information.
have to yeah, I have to rewire my brain that it's fine, you know, that it's just part
Mm-hmm.
of the it's part of it. It's like
For me as
if
well. For me,
yeah,
in the day, 30 to 40 minutes, I listen to audios, like some books audios, or I have my mentor audio. So that's my part of a routine. So it helps me a lot to rewire my brain.
yeah,
Arnas, how's your life, bro? Arnas,
it's a
how's your
must.
life? How's your life after making this much money? Like how changes
Um
in your like day-to-day life, or you can call complete life.
it's not like it changed a little bit. Well, I have my own office, like, and it's quite a big one. I mean, I'm not in a room. I have my own room in my own office. I could show you, but then everything will disconnect.
No
But I mean,
problem.
it's I managed to invest in crypto. I managed to invest into some other businesses, and I mean, I don't do anything else. I'm just a full-time trader. So, and I have a lot of spare time as well. So it has changed where I don't have to work for somebody. So that's nice
Mm-hmm.
to not work for
That's the
somebody.
goal. That's
And
the goal of
yeah,
everyone.
yeah, it's like not getting like, if you want to sleep, you sleep. If you don't feel good, you don't feel good. You don't do shit, you know. And it's when you feel good, you know, everything, you go and trade, etc. It's not necessary. Like I would say, not from a materialistic point of view, not much has changed. I mean, well, it did change a bit, but more so from like just overall quality of life. I think, it's I
Mm-hmm.
don't have to like slave away at like I used to be a bartender, and work nights. So it was a hard job, working during the night.
Mm-hmm.
Hiramani, how old you are?
Amazing.
How old are you? Can you hear me, Hiramani?
Sorry,
How old are you, bro?
can you repeat me? Guess it.
How old are you? What's your age?
You can guess it.
Like
Guess
I
it.
was guessing, but I
In
was thinking about your payout. Then I was thinking again, if it takes you 5 years to make that much money, and if you start trading and at 19, you will be around 24, 25. If I am wrong, correct me if I'm wrong.
no, I'm starting from 19. It's like I'm starting trading journey from 2019,
2019, like okay,
and
so it has been a
uh-huh.
6 year journey.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and what's your age? What's your age, bro?
28.
Okay, nice. You look younger, bro. I'm thinking like you're my little bit younger, like me. Arnas, what you would like to give
Do you,
advice to the younger traders?
Oh, sure. I mean, it depends, what sort of like it's hard to give advice on like it needs to be some sort of a topic. Um it's overall life advice: take risks. I mean, just take risk while you can, and be the because I'm the one from my family where I'm like not on the safe side. That's what led me to trading. Take risk and watch the risk pay off in time, and be patient. So I mean, it's the best advice you can get, in my opinion.
That makes sense. Makes sense. You
Yeah.
have to take risks if you want
um
bigger things in life.
they're
Let's
asking
take some question and
if I'm close with Dovi FX. I know him. Yes. I spoke with him. He's on a big, he's big. So how long do we still stream? I mean, because now I'm at this time, like, I mean, I kind of have to go, and then this the trade is not going anywhere, so I'll just leave it be. And it's been 2 hours. Can we get
can we
Funding
end
Pips
this stream
team
by
to
ourselves?
message us? I don't know. I don't think so. But I
We
mean, let's
have to.
wait for 15 minutes. Let's wait for another 15-minute candle.
okay? Tufik, do you know why I look younger? Do you want to know the reason behind I look younger?
Let me use the bathroom real
Arnas,
quick.
did you update the team?
Huh?
Did you update the team about ending the live stream?
Yeah, I wrote to the main chat to ask, But let's see for another
Tell
12
them if we
minutes.
stay there more, we are going to do eating
Mm-hmm.
process. Sir.
Okay, guys, said, do you
Yeah, money,
enjoy
bro. Let's meet
this
someday.
stream? Yeah, yeah, let's meet someday. You are from Delhi, right? So I'm staying in Delhi right now. So we can meet on weekend, I think so.
Hiramani, wait,
This
wait,
week.
wait. Hiramani, wait, wait. Yeah, we just from Delhi. Not go inside. Right. Yes, from we will meet for sure. And thank you so much, Funding Pips, again for giving me a friend like Hiramani. He's like my elder brother, or you can say a good guy I met from Funding
Same to
Pips.
you, bro. Same to you.
Hope you guys enjoyed this stream. Hope you guys enjoyed this stream. Got some learning from this video, and we are just trying to trade in front of you and giving you, although like a lot of learnings, if you can get from if you get learning from this stream, it is going to be best for you. Like you are seeing, we got to start about having out with the Arnas and Hiramani. Arnas share a
Yeah.
lot of his experience, how he made 1,50,000. Hiramani almost made a lot of money. He share his experience. His analysis, and I am in front of you sharing my whatever experience I have. I try to give you whatever it is. I know it is less than compared with these people's, but I'm learning and growing. We will grow together. And don't forget to subscribe the Trading TV channel and don't forget to buy Funding Pips account. That's all I want to say. Cause the way I'm saying again and again that you should buy funding this only. Cause I lost a lot when by rejecting payouts from other firms. That's the reason. Cause as a trader who is starting making money, like if you could talk about Arnas and Heramani, if their payout is rejected by other firm, that's not going to be hurt them as much as to the person who started newly started making money. So I
Bro,
was
I'll
thinking
tell
a
you
lot of
one thing.
things about. Yeah,
Uh,
Heramani, over to you.
uh, two years back, I profit around $18,000, and I got rejected 2 years back.
That was, I think, your bad time, right?
Yeah. I got rejected. So funding for me till now, for me as well, funding pips is one of the best platform right here. So I have been with funding pips for almost 2.5 years now. Almost 2.5 years, I think so.
Hiramani, can I tell you one thing?
Yes.
I told you one girls from your side, right? Right?
Yes,
I
yes,
received two
yes,
DMs.
yes.
I literally received two DMs from that type, from that state
When?
overall.
When do you receive?
Just I just received.
See
Hey,
the power of me, bro.
Hiramani up in the chat, boys. I think I'm glad, I'm grateful to have you, bro. And whoever is dreaming me, thank you so much. Sorry. All I can say is sorry.
Okay, boys. Did
Is
we
there
get
any
an
update from
answer
you?
from the team? Because I have to go. I have important stuff.